take my life. So no bother with the war and strife. The most I protect our life. A more life, well up and sell them soul. Feed them on the devil payroll. Natty a whole and steady. Ja! Ever living, ever faithful, ever grateful. Yeah. Yeah. When I stand for justice, I say, well, peace, what you fighting for? Nature, ellis, and short for justice, I say, well, peace, what we fighting for? Well, peace, Southwest now police, hey, well, peace, nature, ellis, taunting power, hey, well, peace, we want the violence, sees a watch and now. Down there in Nigeria, down there in South Africa, Sudan and Uganda, Ethiopia and all over Africa, right just so in Jamaica, with a PNP or JP, Rastafari don't care who you are, hey let love set us free, hey well, take it away, what a time. And do one more song I move through. Watch it now. What is my brother? Yeah. Big respect to all the man who say them love your woman. Them, you know. Because every one of us from a woman. You have some man talk about them gun, how them love them gun and make love to them gun. Yeah, that me hear them I say to all, make love to them gun too. See? So what? And see them now sing about the woman them from over there. Let's do this. Big respect. Ladies. Hold it there. Selassie I. Other one there. Give it then, before we go in. Give it current first, then we see it up. Because we can't have blood clean. Let's do this. Selassie I. Unforgettable. You are so remarkable. Oh, Lauren, I will be taking a train. Yeah, wanna see you all over and over again. Unforgettable. You are so remarkable. again. Stand by me. Karen, I will be taking a train. Yeah, I wanna see you again and again. What's her name?
Karen.
I will be taking a train. Yeah, I wanna see you again and again. I know it can't be easy to ignore those other guys, but baby, we are compatible. I know that many men wanna hold you in their arms, but baby, please take a chance with me. Karen, I will be taking a train. I wanna see you all over and over again. Karen, I give you more than a friend. Wanna see you again and again. Mix. Instead of us a 9mm, grab a generator. When I tight a bus a wine to the proper. Yeah. What I think I can do next one now. This one is called Revolution. Freedom. Express yourself. Everyone should be able to express themselves. Freedom, yeah.
Freedom.
Freedom. What is that? What is it? My people, let me tell you something. Never give up the fight, Bridget. But don't pick no fool fight, do you know?
Good.
Because naturally when you're a Rasta man, you'll get a fight. Any Rasta want to see out, they will say them a Rasta, everything is run smooth and nice. Everybody and them are right. Me a fight a quiet war, you know. Yeah, man. Because such Selassie I teach we. We just deal with diplomacy. Yeah, man. But guess what? We name the Almighty are there in the name nature. So true, me know say me no nature like the river and the sea and them thing. Although it will be a part of nature. But me just make sure so me add on my surname, which is Ellis. Because nature is so great and powerful. I and I alone can name nature beside the great nature. So me just add on the Ellis and say nature Ellis. Now we can talk about nature, my people. You see, from your RDN to do certain things. With the focus, no one can stop your bridging. Just do the work. See? Do it. Express yourself. Everyone should be able to express themselves freely. Freedom, yeah. Freedom, so that they can speak, yeah. Freedom, yeah. Freedom, you should be free to speak, yeah. We need free speech so that your messenger can teach. So the people realize Babylon crooked lies. Free up your messenger so that your works can reach, yeah. Free up your messenger, messenger of truth and rights, yeah. Freedom, yeah. Free. Nattyking request a song, you know. Everyone know what I'm going to do because you are one of the greatest reggae artists I tried through. Garnet Silk. We cannot afford to forget the great ones who came before us. Because you know where I come from, you don't know where I go for real. See, so make sure respect to the great Fredlocks right there, so. Anna, great to see you in flesh, my family. Turbulence, respect every time, me never forget. When I perform on a show early before me have locks. And then put me on a segment. when them did just want to see the big artists them at the time. And when I walk on as a little youth and before me even open my mouth, the people them start clap. And when I walk off of the stage, so I take a one note before. I come off of the stage and Turbulence look for me. Them time the Turbulence just get him artist song I would run the whole world. And them man always a release hot song. I just show Babylon and try to fight it, but them can't stop it. It's a big world. Them can't stop it. See? And when I walk off of the stage and feel so embarrassed, Turbulence look for me and say, you, don't worry yourself, and I try the wrong time they put you, and they put you on prime time and nobody really know you. So you don't get that chance to prove yourself, but go and do your thing you did. Yo, you have a powerful voice. Just hold up my head, so. Turbulence tell me that thing. Big respect. Don't forget where I come from, the people. The worst mistake that I ever make. That's why I not stop doing good in the car. And do it, my brother. He never tell his story, and me tell him say how I mean, he never know. Just do good, you don't know who tomorrow. Yes, I. Turn it up. Do good, my brother. And God will follow you. I will always do the good I can, woman. Make sure that there was like a illusion anyway there, so that's my love. Do good, my brother, and God will follow you. I know, I will bless you, yeah. I will always do the good I can, war and hatred I can't stand. And I hope you feel the same way too. Goodness of your words will carry you through. Do good unto others, Jah will do the same for you. Yeah, give it a try, my friend. You will see what I'm saying is true. Love is the answer. True love, this is love, yeah. Oh, true love, yeah. True love. Pull up. I find 9 years to trick me, I'm not making trick me no more. What the talent with him there? If I have one verse, you know, we artists, we don't remember we sang them, you know. But you see my ready when I put a road, I want to put me. You have to go sing a piece of time. You see, love starting, you know, if I have a cappella, brother. You have a rhythm? Play the rhythm. Hold it, my brother. Hold it. I don't want to hear nattyking and say me I trick you, now. Don't take it personal.
No.
But you what I say. I be real to the thing. I been doing a lot of practicing. Whole heap of other things, you know, family life and everything. Look at me, I have family. I too. You understand? I mean, you see me and my daughter, then you think say me and them are same age, because I'm short. And then just grow up. See? So what you pray now, I say? I feel very hoarse from a couple of days now, but I take on the show them same way. We will help you. Because I'm going to tell you something, family. We will help you. You see, more time, you have to challenge yourself. Me will help you. So that's why I make sure I say, yo, me are present at the thing. Challenge yourself. So sometimes we are sing from here, so we find so we think we sing from we two. Yeah. To make nobody realize that hosting are going, so I get greater and greater. I know me host too. So obstacles make you get greater and greater. So don't afraid of obstacles in life. Okay. I said that ready, ready. Yeah, man. Ready. Let's do this. Well, yeah. Maybe some volume up on the thing, you know. When an auto-tune singer, you know. Hey, listen, lady. I wanna see you again. Need you in my arms again. I wanna hold you again. Need you to be more than a friend. This little heart of mine, bubbling just for you. I'm not trouble. Good night. Good night, sir. Good night. Give him a round of applause. Nature Ellis. What if I work money? That's how people in my support. What if I play and I see him and I know I'm not getting up here in my campaign. Give it up, Nature Ellis. Real star. So what are them feeling? No feeling alright? I don't see the police there. Give the police them a round of applause. They deserve it. This is you say Uno. Give them a round of applause. Okay. Yes. Remember say we are Rasta, you know, so you know thing go. Yeah. You want one now? We have two big stars in the place, you know. See? You allow me, you know. You. Allow me. See? We know you're tired. Really, me I worry about. No worry about nothing. They are calling the brethren name Skepti. Skepti, Defty. Theme time. See? And we have a major mackerel. Alright? I'm sure you must have major, you feel like a major metal going on. It's major, luge. Okay. Okay, this brother is a brother that I rate, I respect. You know what I mean? In every aspect. You know what I mean? His name is Skepti. And I request him to be on the JA style. The last time I saw him over there at 121 Winwood Road, Kingston, Few. See? His name is Skeptic, and we couldn't make the show finish and call the star them, the giant them, then call him after. So I asked them, please, let him do one and make him call the little warriors. Them can carry 2 warriors with him. So let's show him the love, yeah? Skeptic.
Yeah, man, give thanks and praise to life. A life our greatest. Nattyking, big up yourself. Self-reliance, Ico Flames. Represent Nicky Dreadlocks. You see me I say? I'm big on all of the artists in my house. Nature and listen to my brother, Father Fred Locks. Turbulence, you know I sit and go. Yeah, man. Drop a star rhythm that you there. Nicky Dreadlocks, play there. No joke about it, you know. Pull it up and get the singer from top.
Chase some love around the world, love around the world. Let us give some brotherly love. Share some sisterly love. Let us give some brotherly love. Share some sisterly love.
No wrong with the world of the people. Someone a devil, that's why they call the evil. Give me them a kill, tell me what it's with people. Before we kill each other, we sit down and raise. You have to tell me about your gun and kill people. When this man a don't got many type in the season. Tell me why you're so wicked and evil. Branch a chop, you want to get a beat.
Let us give some brotherly love. Share some sisterly love. Let us give some brotherly love. Share some sisterly love. This I know you Ghana, but it's not no baby. We call for the Almighty daily. We love him, the Jaja is plenty and overflow. You know, say Jaja love will never empty. It's going to last over century. The river to the back to infinity, it always a flow. Let us give some brotherly love. Share some sisterly love. Let us give some brotherly love. Share some sisterly love. Taking artists with dancing, born guns and crash up. Sing for the art. Whoa! Whoops! Yeah, man! Big up yourself, nattyking. Me love it. J.A. style. Alright, now a new thing, say. Artists will stop, sing about guns and clash up. Sing about the blast in the road, them a mash up. Sing about the innocent clothes and them lock up. Who don't get shot up, get broke up and crack up. Hey! Come and forget the place set up. But now somebody says some artists are shut up. But them have the biggest stone and them get the place shut up. Don't even remember them brass up. Remember this. Gonna teach them one lesson. Do you hear? Music gonna teach them one lesson. I say, music gonna teach them one lesson. Hey, music gonna teach. Balance, balance. Me see clear them now with me. Show me well talented and gifted. Show me have a big voice they will fit me. Them now want get to you get no victory. So them send them beats, them finish me. Our producers are try hard to rip me. Have we a sing out with voice like Britney. Bless up the woman who will carry black pin. Hey! Skepti eyes comes as well, color box. Eternal. Ah! One of them. All the people who love Jamaica, let me sound on a wave. This is self-reliance, Skepti colored alongside Nicky Dread. And we say self-reliance and we do the national anthem for the people, yeah? So all the people who love Jamaica, more soon on a wave when they sing that song, kick it. Read him up. Read him up. All black, all white, Kingston, Spanish Town, Jamaica, Montego Bay, uptown, downtown. Watch out. When eternal Father bless our land, guide us with thy mighty hand, keep us free from evil power, be our light through countless hour, through our leader, great defender, and true wisdom from above. Justice be to all forever, Jamaica land. Everybody, Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica land we love. Why? Teachers due respect for all, stay responsible duty call. Of the weak to cherish, give us vision, lest we perish. Knowledge send us heavenly Father, from true wisdom from above. Justice be to all forever, Jamaica land we love. True Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica land we love.
Give me last time I flat we a gallon and a quart. When some a flat we a gallon and a quart. When we move to the bar we a gallon and a Spanish town of me yard me a gallon and a quart. Drive me a drive us a gallon and a quart. Walk me a walk is a gallon and a quart. Me in a the park is a gallon and a quart. It's a gallon and a quart, it's a gallon and a quart. We start the party and some boy follow. One more in a class, feel down in a baller. Say just wanna be with small land, but grab up in a one man. I go.
Alright then, them just a girl is gonna go listen bird. I'm a lot of girl that is my habit and flirt. I will take away your girl, make your panic on earth. Girl in a house like a girl in concert. Oh man, to man for me tradition work. Right now me a go see me get the bank clerk. Remember when me take Sally from Kirk, him beat around with Papa skirt. Yeah, not the king, manners and respect, see? Self-reliance, it's not then. Alright, turbulence. I can't tell them something before you say something. Alright, I want to me and tell them, see? Alright. Another is some bird. I'm a lot of girl that is my habit and flirt. I will take away the girl, make your panic on earth. Girl in a me house like a girl can. Hey, woman to man as the tradition work. Right now me have a see me get the bank clerk. Remember when me take Sally from Kirk, he beat around with Papa skirt. Take after me no start. No one no hit no quit on them marijuana in a brain a road. Find a big come, the rest of them just right feet up. Some of the things that we done, balance. Now I don't give. I could have been one of the most. I got saved by the king. Pull out. Don't breathe down. Pull out. Pull out. Give me something else. Let your rise and tell me to be scratched. Let them not take it free. After that, boom. Rastafari go for the world. Yeah. And when we say we are singing a movie now, never catch us Thursday, March 30th. Come now. I could have been one of the most. Pull out. What me say? Go on here, yard. Hold on, come from the stage, please. Go on, go. Please, good night. You know, don't book for this. And look, you know, look for this. You hear me? No more. Alright. Give Turbulence and the higher shot a round of applause. I know I don't feel that way because I don't want to sing about there next month. That's why we're not going out tonight. Yeah? Now we are out there for the 30th. A film place. Love me alone. Welcome on stage. The foundation. You ready? I don't think you're ready.
Ready, man.
I don't think you're ready. But this brethren me are forward on stage. A brethren me I listen from a long time. And my mother is right there. Big up Beverly, Joy Livingston. Yo, man, it's a big up mama. It's a big up mama. Yeah, man, every time I look on her, I say, I read that lady, I want me there. Every time I look on a woman, I say, watch me now. I mean that to them. Yeah, man, so, this person here, long time I listen to him, and my mother showed me, say, a long time she got dance. Go listen to that time, I don't know if I'm born it, you know. But she got dance, long time go listen to Virginia, with name Major Mackerel. Put your hands together for Major Mackerel. Come on, my people. Come on. Say, him. I say, God, I don't know. But Major Mackerel, look at the rhythm. Look at the rhythm. Pull it up there. You hear me nattyking, no, you do something for me. Move. Yes, blessed Lord. Greetings to people. Well, you know, I have to acknowledge the presence of a special person who is here. The great Fred Locks. Respect. I want to send special respect to the ladies them from Germany. Big up night nurse in Germany, that is my good friend. And a special good night to every woman who is here with her next woman husband. We love you too. And big up all of the massive. A major mackerel my name, and you know from 1978 me a DJ and I don't know when me a go stop. 1 foot me have but my voice good and all of the foot them a work. So all of the girls them don't worry. Run that track to Lucy. Original. Sing J.A. Style Tuesdays. Watch this. No! Bababuna. No! What do you know that thing, man, again, man, because I'm just man, I'm gonna talk with you, you want to joke, man, I make man, I'm gonna connect, man, I'm gonna joke, man, I'm gonna tell you, man, pull up. Yes, me, old. We're gonna touch through the classic, them, you know. All original crew, Esau, Zin, what do you remember that song, yeah? Man, who no fool, a lot of no mental, man. He no alright, you don't know that one there. I bet you don't remember that one now. I bet you don't remember that one now. Hey, remember the T-bong, fire for the T-bong. The T-bong for them and the T-bong. You don't know that? Alright, I bet you don't know that one now. Remember, and I was saying Dan Ban, and the champion, the chicken ban. Remember, me a mackerel, the dance, come in a dance, run the session, pick up him, the son of parent, boy, big man, some man of a you that do one that day. Pull up. You have some guy when them a go bed with woman, them go with knife and fork and spoon and dribbler. Weak in a them lip and strong in a them lip. Anyhow, run the trap there. Nattyking. Hold it. Nattyking, you know me love you for life. You can trust me with your daughter and your wife. But your niece and your auntie, babaoon, not the panty. No, big up, hold it there. Big up mama, you know. And mama, no disrespect. God bless the night there when you are not the king father, did I do that thing there. Because you produce a king. And me, the engine of your generosity never get rusty. And I hope your love basket never run empty. It's nice to be important, but mommy, you are really important and nice. God bless yourself. Don't stress yourself. And anybody had your problem, pack up and left yourself. Give me ready. What you think a ground of our teaching? I'm here some original, see? Yeah, you're me plate loaded. Nattyking. No boy can ride my Honda. No boy can ride Paniyama. No man na crank me katana. Your mad like a soul na touch me batana. Swear, no guy never got up on no ear. Swear, no man no touch around here. Swear, gangsters get this clear. I want alone with you go bank here. You are hear me? Nothing but man no interest me. All a fat ugly girl impress me. Give me the bad girl, they make them stress me. A female police feel Nattyking, you ever chill down a river one Sunday? Up on the beach one hot Easter Monday? If you no get no girl, hey, better run where swear. I never flat up on no babawono. No man never. Mama, the other day me a walk go out. And book a big fat girl name. Why your little she live over? Why your little she live with her? So me go check her early one. Always get on me mind us. Me look down so me see the fat. Inna me pants and take out the. Take me, chicken at stop. Put it up there. Hold it there. Nattyking, you don't know why your cousin left me. Me trick her, man. She go on like she a smart. She done the money and come back one day about she broke. Play the music, man. Nattyking, you hear me do your cousin? You see the tall, short, slim, fat, dark, brown, cute, ugly cousin where you have? The one where live at St. Thomas, near St. Portland, down at St. Clarendon. Me trick her. Guess what me now? Nattyking. I man get to work and get back me duck. To work and natty get back me duck. Get back me duck. Low, natty me there up in the yard. One man in me broke. Your cousin come check me when me am precious. She tell me say she hungry and tell me say she does. Hungry thing me have in a me house is a duck. Give her the duck and she give me the work. She go back her yard and mama start beat her up. I said they precious, how where you get duck? She said me give mackerel a work and him give me the duck. She said me give back the duck and take back the work. So me get to work and get back the duck. To work and natty get back the duck. Sure. Put it up there. Put it up there, my people. People, remember, this is an annual event every last Tuesday right here. Support it. Hold it there to Lucy. Remember, original dancehall Thursdays. Every Thursday night. 52 Dunbarton Avenue, hosted by Major Mac with Peter Metro. Mixed by the great Lucy. I go chat one final piece, cause all you know, normally woman get born but the whole bakery me again. You think I alone me there? You stay there, seriously I alone. Yeah, play the music there. That one you have to share if you say she alone me there. Me I go tell you something. Wife you know me have more, gyal a road how much 1, no 3, and 4, gyal a road me have rich. Beggy, poor gyal a road, like a ball of bucket, not a come school, gyal a road. Shop, stall, me go store, gyal a road, baby. Line up, let me go poor, gyal a road, who take care of me? Hold on, turn round, me no do body dance. You see, no run down, gyal when me out there. One bag of gyal a run me down, if me go there. Clean without a doubt, some gyal a shout say. Nature mackerel, them can't do without it. Light skinny blacker, this clean me the fatter. It no really matter, me deal with the matter proper. Mackerel a the judge, the damn the dope. Me a the dapper, put one pan lady mackerel and she change her name to Maca. Right now no me have no gyal a road, how much 1, 3, no 4 gyal a road me have rich. Beggy, poor gyal a road again rich. Beggy, poor gyal a road like a ball of bus, the neck so me. Remember mackerel in everything singly. The man banana with the dump. One major mackerel. Then remember Miss Getty gyal you own your man. Miss Wanty mash up your plan. Miss Getty gyal pull it up. What the artist there? Hold on there. Nattyking. I enjoy my small visit to your establishment, and I will be here again and again and again. Nattyking, God bless the womb that conceive you, the genital that deliver you. May your sons and daughters be kings and queens, planted by the rivers of water, fruitful, multiply, this day, yesterday, tomorrow, and forevermore. Blessed love, Holy Emmanuel, I, Selassie, I, big up the people them from Germany. Seeing the three ladies. Big up my friend Night Nurse in Germany. Nattyking at your stage. Do your thing and ride for we.
Give thanks, give thanks. Give him a round of applause, you know. Only a round of applause, you know. You see? Yeah. Major Mackerel Foundation. I give thanks to everyone that turned out. And now we're about to close off now. We're going to sing one song. Then we close off. Because you know the time and we're not overdo it. You know what I mean? We're not overdo it. So this song now, this lady from Germany, she loved this song. Feature Incline. Nattyking and Incline together a song called Royal Empress. So we're just going to sing it for the island. You know what I mean? Run it.
Production. Pull up. You know what thing going on? People are flying from Europe. If you want to big yourself happy, belated Earth Strong, you don't know what thing go. Give thanks. Look, can I choose production? Nattyking and Wagwan. Sing for you, man.
You royal empress. Mr. Fear up the king just experience woman. She no want no princess, Rasta no actor. She no want no actress. Mr. She no want no man fi box and send kicker. She want a king where a star like Elvis. The way she walk and how she talk, I have to say this. Hey baby girl, your father is a dentist. The way she smile, pull up with the JS style done.
You know what I say? I want to take a woman. I take you and take a woman, go rub them in king chest. Stop it! Me I talk about Royal Empress to rub them in king chest like you want. Oh yeah, sing and take one moment.
No, I mean she like a my girl. Be yourself. Let me sing for you. She like the king. You don't need the king, you know. Be yourself, Incline. Hear who she like now. Hey! Royal Empress. Mr. to rub down the king chest experience woman. She no want no princess, Rasta no actor. She no want no actress. Mr. She no want no man fi box and send kick. Want a king where a star like Elvis. The way she walk and how she talk, I have to say this. Hey baby girl, your father is a dentist. The way she smile, and she will bring the child. You brighten up my life. I've been searching for a while. From the vine, the way she smile, and she will bring the child. Brighten up my life. I've been searching. Watch how me love her up now. You don't get her. Said she want me fi put it on more. Give her song, she said give it hardcore. Like a cricket to a cricket ball ball. The amount of love me and fear she can't ignore. Now hide from my feelings. We grow together, go together, make it even. Make a bounce and if you leave it, now no meaning. Real queen empress and I'm the real king. From the vine, the way she smile, and she will bring the child. There's a friendlocks, there's a proud wife, there's a everyone will turn out and make the date. They're never late. Hey, oh yes, she loves and she will bring the child. We got turbulence, nature ellis, the one of the acts of a pass through. Young artists, them, and we are though. Love star music. Hey, Incline, boy, she love the Rasta man. She no want no vagabond. Me just seal up my mission and this girl not in a the plan. Want to see we not the van when we a build a song. Yes, she's a perfect woman. Say she wants a natural fire in her life. She no want a man to beat her up with her knife. Physically fit me give her to her burn life. So she hold me tight, so she squeeze me right, so she squeeze me. From the vine gave one baby, you be and breathe. Come still over. Play one rhythm that one like the answer when I'm something. No man.
Try, bro.
No, that rhythm man. Play the answer. We give them a try because they're not on the show. And them there here and we still have a look over them before we lock the car. You know? We give them a look over them there here. One, you mean?
Me nah wear no woman clothes. Me nah bore me neighbor and me nah bore no nose. Rasta, and me no wear belly skin. Nah bore me tongue and me nah bore me chin. Me sing, me nah wear no woman clothes. Me nah bore me neighbor, me nah bore me nose. Rasta, and me no wear belly skin. Nah bore me tongue and me nah bore no chin. Me sing, well how them so hype and them pants so tight. And up of them boy ya turn girl overnight. Yes Miguel, you look like Michelle.
Alright then, let me saw big man tell me how you do it. He know so much down on feet. And you have it dash where your feet. You're not be worried about the next meal. If anybody knows the variation,